हाय फ्रेंड्स, आई एम कृष्ण रंबिया। मेरा लास्ट वीडियो में रेजिस्टेंस ट्यूब के साथ घर में कैसे एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं उसी का वीडियो था लास्ट में। तो आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम माय फ्रेंड्स एंड माय सब्सक्राइबर्स दैट हमारे पास घर में कोई रेजिस्टेंस ट्यूब नहीं है, तो ये लॉकडाउन पीरियड में हमें फिट रखना है और आप बॉडी वेट यूज़ करके घर में किस टाइप का एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं इसी का एक वीडियो बनाओ। सो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा आज का वीडियो उसी के ऊपर है कि हम अपना बॉडी वेट यूज़ करके घर में सारे बॉडी पार्ट को कैसे एक्सरसाइज किया जाता है और अपना कार्डियोवैस्कुलर को कैसे वर्कआउट के साथ इंक्लूड करना चाहते हो, उस अकॉर्डिंगली मैंने प्लान किया है अपना आज का वर्कआउट। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज के एक्सरसाइज के लिए मैंने 7 एक्सरसाइज को सेलेक्ट किया है। सो उसमें कार्डियोवैस्कुलर भी है। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट आवर टुडे सेशन। Sriraj is going to demonstrate you for all exercises, and same way I told you in my previous video also, I will take care about how to breathe and how your posture should be. So let us go for that. So this selected 7 exercises you are going to perform one after another, 30-second on and 20-second rest in between the exercises. After completing the whole round, you can have 1 minute rest. So again, second round same way, like that you can go for 4 rounds. Let us start. Now Sriraj will perform high knees for 30 seconds. So knees should come up to the hip level and normal breathing. Okay?
Yep.
Start. Come on. Excellent movement. Yes. This level तक excellent. Yes. Now 20 seconds gap.
Yeah.
Rest. After that we'll go to the next exercise. Okay?
Okay.
So he had 20-second rest. Now he will go for the push-up exercise. Let's see how he's going to perform push-up exercise for 30 seconds.
Okay.
Come on. या इसको हल्का सा ऊपर की तरफ, यस बी देयर, बैक को हैंग नहीं करना, सेम वे ऊपर पुश नहीं करना, इट शुड बी स्ट्रेट, ठीक है, दिस लेवल में। ओके, कम ऑन, स्टार्ट। 1 2 गुड 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 गुड, यस यस यस, परफेक्ट मूवमेंट एंड परफेक्ट पोस्चर। गुड 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 गुड, yes, come on, last 10 seconds more. Yes, 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Good. Stop. Yes, good. Go for 20-second rest. So he has done his push-up. Now we are moving towards alternate lunges. Let us see how he is doing it.
Yeah.
Come on. Yes. Yeah, this is wrong movement. Slightly back, buzz. Yes, up. 1. Change it. Yes. 2. Don't lean forward. Body straight. Yes. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale when you go down. Exhale up. Take some more long distance so that this will not cross it. Yes. Yes. Go forward. Come on. Don't lean forward. Straight. Yeah. This is the one. Yes, like that. Come on. Last 10 seconds. 10 9 8. Distance some more. 7 6 5. Last 4 seconds. 4. Yes. 3. Yes. 2. 1 more. Yes. Good. Excellent. You will go for 20-second rest now. Okay.
Yeah.
From here, when you do this one, try to take this much long distance, and यहाँ से when you go down, ये knee जो एक toe का पीछे ही रहना चाहिए।
Okay.
आगे क्रॉस नहीं करना चाहिए। सेम वे, डोंट लीन फॉरवर्ड। and don't hyper extend. So this is the proper. This way. See, this way. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So this is the way. Okay, now 20-second rest.
Yes.
Then we'll go to the next exercise. Friends, our next exercise is mountain climbers. वो मैं परफॉर्म करूँगा इस बार. So just sit. Shoulder width में, just under the shoulder. This way here. This is called mountain climbers. This is some sort of cardio exercise only. This helps you to bring your heart rate up. So obviously, for a better exercise for the cardiovascular section also, for the respiratory system. Now we will go to our next exercise. तो ये था mountain climbers. अब I had 20-second rest, and this exercise also will be demonstrated by me. And ये है squat and box. Let us see. Shoulder width. Keep on the boxing posture. One squat and alternate box. Inhale here, exhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, exhale. This was box, squats and box. So next is plank. I will give a chance to Sriraj now. He will go for the plank exercises. Come. Okay. So this is the plank position. Neck normal, natural में इसको ऊपर रखो this. It should be like this. Not to push up and not to hang it down. So it should be like this, straight and slightly down. Yeah, that's all. It's the best exercise for the abdominal and also for the lower back. Core muscle के लिए सबसे बढ़िया exercise है. Core muscle में this especially benefit for the spinal erectors muscles which support the spinal cord. So keep it there. Hold it. Yes. 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8. Normal breathing. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. Good. इसमें you can do your normal breathing in this. Okay. Sriraj, I will demonstrate the abdominal exercise. Okay. Guys, next is our last exercise of this series. That is abdominal exercise. We'll go for a crunches now. Just see how we are supposed to do with the proper posture. See, there are tendency of doing abdominal crunches like this way. In fact, this exercise is not going to help you, or injury होने का भी chances है इसमें, ये jerk देने में. So I will show you the correct posture, कैसे करना है, कैसे breathing भी करना है. Interlock your fingers, slightly keep it here, and don't pull your neck with the arms. Don't pull it, just support your neck. Keep it like this. From here, elbow slightly out. सीधा थोड़ा सा नीचे से इस side से भी दिखा देना. Keep like this, and slowly lift your shoulder and neck up with the help of abdominal muscles. Here you will feel a contraction. Slowly back, and don't rest here like this. Bring it up to this level and exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. You don't need to crunch this way. Just out this way, perfect way. Exhale up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. So exactly it will hit on your abdominal if you are doing properly. Otherwise your other body part will be involved in that, and the abdominal muscle will get less effect from this benefit from the particular crunching exercises. So it's always better concentrate on the abdominal contraction and stretch.
So you don't need to go all the way up.
No, this one you don't need to go.
Okay.
It's a jerking movement actually. This is the best movement. Slowly up, slowly back. You will feel it. If you do this way, you will feel your abdomen start burning. So, okay, friends, ये था आज का सेशन. हमने 7 एक्सरसाइज चूज किया इस एक्सरसाइज सेशन के लिए, और ये 1 by 1 करके हमने किया. फर्स्ट एक एक्सरसाइज टुक 30 seconds with a gap of 20 seconds rest in between. So after completion of first round, you can go for 1 minute rest. So same way 3 to 4 round आप कर सकता है. तो it's a very good exercise for burning your calories and also for losing your fat. And it's a good, since we have added some of the jumping movements and forward lunges, mountain climbers. Because of this, your cardiovascular side also is covered in this. So it's a perfect exercise for your home workout during this lockdown period. I hope you will really enjoy this exercise. And friends, once again, please subscribe my channel. I will come up with more scientific exercises in the next coming videos. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice time.